We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea.
Hey, you have forgotten your weapon.
I'm gonna sharpen my pencil.
Here, let me assist you.
No place I'd rather be.
There.
Thanks.
Exalted in the sea.
Excuse me. Do you have a private chamber where I can try on these garments?
Changing room back there behind hoodies.
With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually.
What the?
The unified field theory. The ultimate pearl of wisdom in all of the universe. Now you are educated.